Alright, number 7 now. So we have an equation here, and this time we need to find the A and B, which is the amplitude here. So we got the two things. So we have the max and the min divided by 2 is amplitude, which is A. So A equals to max minus minimum divided by 2. So we have 4 minus negative 2 divided by 2, which we have 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. Alright, the other point is like we have 0, 1 to find B. So what we're going to do is we substitute x and y into 0 and 1 into x and y. So we have 0 is 1. 1 equals to 3 sine 0 degree plus B. Sine 0 is 0, so we have 1 equals to B. Alright, going on to part 2. Part B is like you have to describe a way. So compare with this, now our function become 3 sine x degree plus 1. Alright, so we got that here. We have a multiplication and then a negative. So what it means that it is going through as a contract is squashed to be shorter because it's outside. So we have contract 1 over 2 by the x direction, no, the y direction, so we scale like this, goes squashed. So y direction, and then reflect, because it's outside again, so it's reflect x and y changes, so reflect along x direction, x-axis. Still is a y direction where we flip it over, but it's reflect along x-axis. Now we're going to sketch it over here. So we have originally is 490, we got it to 2, but this time we reflect, change it here, so we come like this. 0 is always here, so we're going to that the same point doesn't change, and the same point doesn't change. So now it's 2 at 270, so we have 1 at 270 here. The rest of them shouldn't change. 1 originally was 1, so it's half here. So we got our equation like this. It's a bit ugly here, but the shape's just good. Okay. Yay. Alright, last but not least, given that 180 p, this 2 point is there, so we have originally p 180 at 1, and this is p, and the q is 270 at here. So we reflected, it should be right here and here. So we have the p coordinate by looking at the graph. It's 180 and 1 over 2 because we got it shortened. And q is here, so it's 270, and then is 1 because it's q is here and q prime is here. This p. Alright, so we're done with number 7.